Sorry, you're doing recording, so.
Alright, let's get going. Hello, good morning. I am just about to take this little one to her second immunizations. I feel so bad. I'm so sorry. But yeah, hopefully it goes well. I've just given her some calpol. Last time I didn't give her calpol, and I don't know if that made it worse because she did get a temperature. She was quite unsettled. I gave her calpol after, so I'm gonna see if it works this time. I'll give her calpol. I've already given her calpol, so I'll see if that makes a difference. And yeah, we'll take the day from there. I don't know what we're gonna do today. It's really hot. Not really. I don't know if it's really hot, but it's like 20-something degrees, 25 degrees today. So yeah, I'll see what I can do with this one during her last few days of half term. So yeah. Hello. So I've decided to take these two to the park. They'll have a good time. Oh my god. What an afternoon. A lot has happened. I've been busy. And then we cleared our garden yesterday. And they were supposed to come back for the mattress. And I got shook because I'd already paid them, thinking that they might not come back. But yeah, they did eventually come back today. So luckily everything's clear in the garden, and yeah, looks good now. So today's really hot. It's like 25, I think I've already mentioned that, and I'm making the most of it. And I decided to walk instead of drive, so that explains the huffing and puffing. But yeah, we Gucci. Been quite a nice day. I just tried. I tried my best. Took it out and everything. So now I'm just going to say my goodbyes to my friend, and then we'll go home. It's like almost 5 o'clock. So I need to prepare my house for our day tomorrow, where we're going to London. But yeah. You okay, darling?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.